Who is that? I'm gonna make pancakes. I'm gonna cook them.
But I can put some syrup on it.
Sure. You will like that. You gonna put some in your bowl? That's enough. Uh-oh. Did she get it?
Yeah.
Yum. You need some water to drink? That's a lot of sweetness. Here's your water. Have a nice drink of water.
I need some more syrup.
No, you don't need any more syrup. You have a lot in your bowl. See how much is in there?